Don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. It's a lovely day today, so we've got blue skies, not a lot of cloud. Temperatures are rather balmy today. It's dry. It's a really nice kind of late spring, early summer day. The perfect day to take mum shopping, which is where I'm off to today. So I'm driving over to pick mum up, and then we're going to go off and do all her grocery shopping. And it's a nice day for it. So I must have slept funny last night, because when I woke up this morning I had like a pain across my back, top shoulders, you know, almost like I've been hunched over. So I've obviously been slept funny, so hopefully I will loosen up a bit as soon as I start being a bit more active this morning. But it hurts. I don't know how you do it, but they're the biggest tulips I've ever seen. I mean, that's my hand, look at it. How do you get them that big? I mean, look at the size of that one. That won't even fit in the palm of my hand practically, look. That's a better upright one. They're just crazy sizes. I mean, look at how frilly that one is. I've got tulip envy. Right, that's mother safely back home after doing her shopping. Now it's just time for me to get back in time for lunch. There we go. Just wave goodbye. Oh, I should do that before setting off, really. Whoops. Morning. It's Friday morning. And we're up early because we've got to get ready and get ourselves out, because we've got a full day down at Indigo Blue. We've taken over their laser cutter for the day, because Ian and I both need lots of stock cutting. I need all my bits and pieces for my launches for May the 2nd, and Ian needs a lot of stuff for his steampunk, components and stuff for his steampunk show. So we're up at the crack of dawn, if you like. He's just taken Mr Bentley out for a quick walk, so that is all done and dusted before we go down to Indigo Blue. But we'll be taking his bed and his teddy and all that kind of stuff as well. So he's got something to do while we're there all day. So it's going to be a long day today, I think. It's not really focused very well, is it?
No.
Can't really see. But it's cutting. It's cutting something. We're nearly done, aren't we?
Yes.
Having a nice time.
Thank you. I've cut the grass, edged it. Looks nice. It's now got stripes in it. It's got very big patches of brown where somebody does tinkles. But I'm having a little rest in the sun for 10 minutes, then we'll go for WALK. And the boy's happy for now.
So it's Sunday and weather's not particularly good today. You can see the clouds. Not all that nice, but we've still been out and we've still been to one of our little garden centres. And Ian's bought himself some strawberries, which he's just planting now. So there you go. He's planted a couple of rows of strawberries, and then you've moved on to, what have we moved on to?
Peas. Green shaft.
Oh, lovely.
Green shaft peas. Just going to grow them up the fence. But the strawberries, these are 2 different varieties. They're what we had last year.
Okay, those ones.
Yeah, and these are the new ones, these 5.
These ones with the bigger leaves.
Yeah, these grow bigger fruits.
Oh, lovely stuff. What are you growing this year? Eh?
Stuff.
Not growing anything. But one of the things that we did do, or one of the things I did pick up while I was at the garden centre.
We've got a bargain.
A bargain. It's a little water feature, a little solar powered one. And it was £150. And it had been reduced to, so I'm just sitting down. It was reduced to 90, so they're taking £60 off. It's in full working order, apart from where you can see the lighter patches just there and there. There were holes, and all I've done this morning, no, not right through, just breaking into it's like the coating. Oops, I moved my finger. The fibrous coating, if you like, was cracked. So all I've done is just mixed up some epoxy putty, some milliput, a 2-part epoxy putty, and just filled it in. So when it's dry, or when it sets in about 4 hours, I'll be able to create another sort of a faux stone effect with some acrylic paints. But because it's on the inside anyway, you don't actually see it. So, but what I thought I might do is leave this stone effect bit here, but maybe dry brush these in some copper acrylic and turn them into copper bowls. But we'll see.
I think that's a really good idea.
Yes, we will see, says the man coming out of the shed. So the tulips are starting to go over. Daffodils went over a long time ago, but the tulips are starting to go. I need to get those seed heads cut off before they set, otherwise there'll be no goodness left in the bulb for next year. So, but I've had some little ones pop up this year. Oh, they're beautiful, just little babies. And this white stuff, which is one of Ian's favourites, is about to flower. I can't remember what it's called, but it seems to have taken over quite a bit. It's done rather well in the front bed. I think it may need trimming back after it's finished flowering. But the astilbes are coming up quite nicely. There, and here, and there, and just tucked underneath the daffodils there. So they'll be big, tall, kind of pinky, reddy, almost fluffy, almost candy flossy kind of flower spikes on when they flower. But I'm a bit concerned about the rhododendrons there. They didn't flower last year because we moved them. And I'm hoping that they're going to flower this year. If they don't, then unfortunately they're going to have to come out. But we will just have to wait and see. Look at that. What a miserable day for a Monday. You can tell it's a bank holiday, can't you? Looks like it's going to absolutely chuck it down with rain. But even though it's a bank holiday today, still doing a little bit of work. So it's May the 2nd, which means that my damask stencil, the ATCs, the MDF ATCs, and a few other bits and pieces are being shipped today. So I now have them all in stock. So the damask stencil, which is what we had done on Friday when we went down to Indigo Blue, are all now in stock and all ready to go. Not only, but also the ATCs, 2.5 by 3.5 inch ATCs on the 2mm Medite are also now in stock, along with, of course, the Artist Trading Coin ATC substrate, so they're also in stock, and also the steam clocks, which you get 2 in a pack of those. So yeah, so all those are now in stock and ready to go and are shipping. So all those that have done pre-orders, I'll be I've just pulled everybody's order together, ready to start packing it into envelopes to get it out in the post from tomorrow, because that's when the post offices are back open again. So once we've done that, then we're going to sit down and work out what Ian's going to be doing for his Steampunk Tuesday, because he's going to be doing one once a month now. Are you lurking outside the door?
No.
So, you got me a cup of tea or something? Oh, bring it in then. There you go.
There we are.
Thank you very much. Cup of tea. It's a cup of coffee.
Coffee.
Cup of coffee. Thank you very much.
Let's get Bentley out. It's going to rain, so...
Okay, no worries. And then we're going to sit
tomorrow.
down and then work out what we're doing for your Steampunk Tuesday.
Yes,
You've got a couple of projects that you want to do, haven't you?
I have indeed.
Excellent stuff. So we'll sit and do those, because we need to film those tomorrow to go live from Tuesday night. So if you're watching this now on Thursday or Friday or Saturday...
Can you email me and tell me what I've done?
Because he doesn't know yet. It's haircut time. So I'm just on my way down to the barber's to get my haircut, which it's in desperate need of. So how's this for a bit of domestic bliss?
Welcome to the Hotel Splendido. Booking's now taken.
Yes, with duvet cover by Irish artist Orla Keeley.
Designer.
Yes.
We're just talking about this light fitting in here.
Yes, this big spider that's on the ceiling.
We bought it because we were going to have the office in here.
Well, we did have the office
did
in here
have
to
the
start
office in
off
here.
with.
And while I was dusting the light fitting this morning, I thought, ooh, I can make 6 machines out of that. Should we just buy a lampshade? So,
And I said, yes, because it's far too bright to be a bedroom light, because it was originally bought
for studio.
as an office studio light. The arms on the light fitting are articulated, or you can see the screw thing there, and you can actually position them so that they're more kind of almost like an umbrella.
Yes, you can.
You know, so you can open them out, or you can squeeze them back up again into, you know, the spider pose that it's in at the moment. So it makes sense to get rid of it, to take it down, let Ian take it to pieces and make something steampunky out of it, and just put an ordinary one in that's only got one standard light bulb in,
I'll think about it.
or one standard lamp.
Yes.
Thank you, Ken.
Yeah.
Because Ian's dad would have taken issue with us calling them bulbs.
He was an electrician. Bulbs grow in the garden, he used to say.
Yes, bulbs grow in the garden, lamps are what you fit up there.
Yeah.
So, yes. So anyway, this is the guest bedroom. So this is where Mum and Dad stay when they come to visit. But we have visitors coming this weekend.
Helen and Robert.
So, yes, so we're just getting it done, changing the bed in. It's all on a nice tidy and clean. They've got the big pile of
clean
towels and that kind of stuff. So just making it ready. Are you waiting for me to put the throw down?
Yes, please.
Right, I better go.
Throw down rather than a hoe down.
Yes. Yeehaw.
Yeehaw.
He's like, come on, play.
Are you tired now? Are you tired now? We're going to go for a drink of water. Daisy's like, whatever. So, as you may have gathered, we have visitors today. Daisy and Duke have come for a play date while we're having a little bit of a meeting. So, as the weather's nice, we're letting them run around in the garden. So it's now, nearly 7:30. Our guests have gone for the day.
Look what might go. Dead man's fingers rum. It doesn't contain dead man's fingers. Well, I hope it doesn't. But it's actually passion fruit flavour. We have had the taste. It's very nice.
Yes, it's very, very nice. So our guests have gone for the day, including Daisy and Duke, who came over for a play date with their owners. And yeah, very, very productive. Very, very, sorry, that hair keeps going in my lip. Very, very productive day, but just a very long day. Mr Bentley is absolutely tired out. So as well as bringing that bottle of rum for me, they know what I like. They also brought some flowers for you, and I'll just turn the camera around so you can see. So a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Look at this. Beautiful, and they smell amazing. Look at that beautiful gerbera. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but that's basically what it is. Yes, but look at that. Aren't they stunning? Absolutely beautiful. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.